Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei P Smart from 2019, and I'll show you how to enable simple mode. So to do it, we'll start by going into the settings, then go all the way down into system, and from here you'll see simple mode, and you can now just tap on enable or apply. Wait a moment, and as you can see, now it's in simple mode, where basically just the default apps are on, and it's a little bit differently spaced out for simplicity. And if you want to deactivate it, you can just go into settings. As you can see right here, you have exit simple mode. So one more time, it's right here. Tap on exit simple mode, give it a moment, and now it's back to the default. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.